It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. You want something that is bold, not only in its looks, but also in its attitude. Something always up for fun and built to go places. The Highlander, built just for you. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, in-tune, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, power liftgate, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, 4-wheel drive, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.